Hey everyone, it is Storm Tracking HQ here with a severe thunderstorm watch video, and let's get into this. Severe thunderstorm watch number 5616 has been issued until 10 p.m. for parts of Oklahoma and Texas. Your hazards are scattered hail up to 2-inch size possible, scattered gusts up to 70 mph possible, and frequent lightning possible. Your population is about 7.6 million, or it's almost 7.7 million. 21 schools included, and 145 hospitals are included. So, let's go over your towns, and then, yeah. Graham, Texas, Bowie, Texas, Mineral Wells, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Dana, Anna, Texas, Sherman, Texas, Senna, Texas, MD, Ember. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's in Texas. Um, it's a town in Oklahoma. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these. Yeah, essentially the whole Dallas metro area complex. Um, if severe weather is either developing or has begun the process of developing and should be taken serious. Um, we have gotten reports of severe thunderstorm warnings being popping up, even some considerables being issued by the NWS Fort Worth. So please take those seriously. Um, one more thing before we end it off. Make sure you report stuff to your law enforcement if you see damaging winds, hail, anything. Even please report it to your NWS office or law enforcement. That being said, this is Storm Tracking HQ signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.